Hey guys, Aaron Chen, I hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website called Ojooo Wad, okay? Pretty interesting name. You're on this site and you're wondering, can you really make money by actually clicking on their ads? And will they really pay you out this money, right? That's a very interesting question. So I'm going to review Ojooo Wad and you can decide whether or not you want to spend some time on this website, or maybe there are other options. And I'm going to show you a very cool option in a few minutes that's going to show you how you can 50x your income, make way, way, way more money than Ojooo Wad could ever give you. So you want to stick around till the end of the video, okay? Now, Ojooo Wad is basically, it's an advertising network, right? And they actually do bring on a lot of clients on the back end to advertise on their network of websites, which is very cool. But what they allow you to do as a user is you can come onto wad.ojooo.com and basically click on their pay to click ads. And basically just as a user that has no skills, you have no marketing skills or anything, you can come online and basically click on any of their ads. Obviously, you have to get registered first, right? But you will make roughly about 0.001 cent per ad that you watch. Okay, so think about that. That's 1/10 of 1 cent. So it's not that much, right? So in order for you to make 10 US dollars, you have to basically watch 10,000 ads. Okay, so think about that for a second. It is real money. You can get up to $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $10. For just watching ads. You don't need any skills. You just have to, invest time in it. But you have to understand that you have to hang out and watch a lot of ads and click through a lot of the ads in order to make just a little bit of money. Okay, so the promise here is not to get rich. The promise here is that you can make a little bit of money for the time that you invest in just watching their ads, right? So I'll click on one of the ads right now, just so that you can see what it looks like. This one is actually a banner style ad, right? And you can see the time here, and they want you to click on it and actually go into their sponsor's website. So it's not just about watching the ad, it's about watching the ad and going into their sponsor's website. That's one example, right? That's a phone case example. Here's another one. Okay, so you have to watch the ad quickly and then actually click into the website to check it out, right? And that's kind of how you can earn. Again, at this particular rate here, it's 0.001 cents, so 1/10 of 1 cent. It's very, very little money, okay? But it's real money, and if you watch enough ads, your back office is going to add up, and eventually you can withdraw that money into Payza or PayPal. So it is real money. Ojooo is a legitimate website. They've been around for a few years. They have really paid out quite a lot of money to users like yourself. You can be from anywhere in the world, okay? And you can just kind of, if you have no skills, if you have a bit of free time and you want to make a little bit of money, this is a completely legitimate website and you can make some money through Ojooo Wad. Okay, now the way that you would actually get access to it is really just to click on sign up, right? So at the top right side of their website, you can sign up. It's very simple: username, password, confirm your email, and you can even refer friends and family with your referral link and earn a little bit more money that way. But remember that Ojooo Wad is not designed to make you rich. Okay, they don't promise that. They just promise to give you a little bit of money for watching their clients' ads. That's it, okay? And it's a tiny bit of money and you have to invest quite a lot of time, all right? So completely legitimate site. If you want to check out Ojooo Wad, just head over to wad.ojooo.com, right? And you can sign up and then start to play with their ads, right? Watch their ads. But remember that you're really making a very, very little money. I mean, in order for you to even make, $1, you have to watch 1,000 ads. Think about that. That's a lot of ads. 1,000 ads to make $1. But are they really paying you real money? Yes, they will pay you real money to your PayPal. Okay. Now, if you're interested in making way more money than that, I mean, look, if you're going to be investing an hour or 2 hours sitting around watching ads on your computer, you may as well make the big money, right? What's the point of making, a $1 per 1,000 ads? I mean, you're going to have to spend a lot of time if you want to watch 1,000 ads. That's at least, I don't know, a few hours every single day, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours before you can actually see 1,000 ads. That's a lot of ads, right? So if you have that extra time, let me show you how I generate a lot more income online, okay? Now, the thing about Ojooo Wad is this requires no skill, zero skill. So please understand that online, if you have zero skill, you don't know how to do anything, then you're going to make very little money, all right? But if you understand how to do stuff online and you've got high skill, then you're going to be able to make a lot of money. So let me show you how to learn this high skill and make a lot of money online, right? So this is one of the products that I promote to people, okay? Now you can see here, this is an actual website, right? So this is not a fake website right here. And you can see here that I've generated $36,000, $36,168 referring. You can see this is my referral stats, right? So referring this product to people online. That's not bad, right? So this is a piece of software that marketers need to use in order to track their marketing. Okay, so I found a group of people that have a problem they're trying to solve, and I found a tool that will help them to solve that problem, and I just recommended it to them, and I got referral commissions, and I generated $36,000 over dollars with that. That's pretty crazy, right? Now here's another product, okay? And again, you can see this is my website. This is not a screenshot, right? Because I can scroll here, okay? And you can see these, they're popping up, they're highlighting, right? So with this one, I've generated $98,161. That's not too shabby. Okay, now this is a marketing training program. So I found a group of people that want to learn marketing. I found the product that will help them to learn that marketing, and I just recommended it. I referred them, I connected them, and then I generated a commission. Not too shabby. Almost 100,000 US dollars just connecting people with the right products that they're trying to access online. So I'm helping them to solve a problem, and I get referral commissions for doing that. And you can do the exact same thing. And the beauty about this type of business and learning this kind of skill set is you can do it from anywhere in the world. Okay, you can be based anywhere, literally in China, in Thailand, in Canada, in Australia, in New Zealand, in the US, in Scotland, in Ireland. It doesn't matter where you live in the world. As long as you have an internet connection and a computer and you know this skill, you can connect people with products that will help them to solve problems, and you get commissions for doing it. And you can make a lot of commissions, all right? So there's nothing wrong with Ojooo Wad, okay? This is a legitimate site. If you have no skills, you want to come on here, you've got maybe an hour to spare every day, you can click and watch ads, but understand that you're trading time for money here, right? So yes, it's real money, but you got to watch 1,000 ads before you make $1. 10,000 ads before you make $10. That's a lot of time investment. If you're going to invest that time anyway, you may as well invest it in skills where you can earn way more money. I mean, this is life-changing income right here. You know, some people don't even make $36,000 in a year, let alone selling one product, right? I mean, look at this. Most people will never ever see $98,000 in a year, okay, let alone a few months, right? So I want to show you how to do this. And imagine if you had multiples of this. You had, this is product 1, this is product 2, you've got product 3, product 4, product 5, and you're recommending all of these products at the same time. Think of how that could change your life. That's pretty cool, right? So if you would like to learn this skill, unfortunately I can't teach you how to do that on, a 10-minute YouTube video. I want to show you how to do this deep, because this is a high skill, right? So I've got a free workshop that you can check out if you want, and all you need to do to get onto that workshop is to register by clicking the link below or clicking on the arrow on the right hand side on the next page. Register for the workshop, and I look forward to seeing you on that workshop. It's much more detailed than this. I'm going to show you how this works, how to go into it deep if you want, and I look forward to showing you how to gain this skill set so that you can completely change your life if you really want to do that. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this review of Ojooo Wad, and if you would like to learn how to maximize your income online like this, then I look forward to seeing you in the workshop. Take care and see you in the next video.